Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, and one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So, this is the card. I leave it here. We will turn these cards as we proceed, guys, into the reading. Libra. So, for your general energy first, we have heart, stars, and clouds. So, with these cards in your situation, Libras, you have some doubts or confusions about something. Maybe in your career, maybe some confusion which way to go, or what to do, or what project to take up, or what is the right decision. So, you have some confusions today, and you have some confusion because you're in your heart of hearts you feel attracted to certain things, but it may not be a practical choice in your career or in your personal life. So you have some confusions because of that. So your heart is pointing you towards something, maybe. But I also see that for some of you, whatever you love to do, that opportunities or offers are coming your way, guys, in your situation. But you're quite confused, so you are just thinking, waiting for the right time. But I also see that you have your intuition guiding you today, and that positive change of things happening in your circumstance. So your circumstance is changing bit by bit. So your confusions or whatever doubts you have, it may clear up for you, guys. So you may have clarity in your situation, let it be in your career or let it be in some choice in your personal life. So let us see what is the card for your relationship first. Coffin. So some changes are coming in your situation, guys, in your relationship. Maybe that may be the reason we have clouds with the previous set of cards, some confusions we were saying. So maybe this person and yourself in this connection is in a place where you are unable to do anything. Maybe you have worked hard, tried your best, but with this love, you are unable to do anything for this love, because whatever you do, things are not proceeding as you had wished for. Maybe you have sacrificed so much, gone through so much for this person, for this love, to have that meaningful understanding. But this person is not understanding you, or this connection is not proceeding in a positive way. So maybe for some of you, you may be moving towards a breakup. It is an inevitable change that you're seeing today, something which you cannot stop. But today it may be difficult for you, but it is the right thing happening for you, guys, because it is going to be some kind of a positive, it is going to bring some positive change in your life. So this love is going to change you, guys. That is what I see with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Fox. So again, a very negative card here. So someone is trying to use you, deceive you in your career situation, guys. So they are here as a friend, or they may pose as a friend, but they have their own agenda. So you need to be really careful. They are trying to involve you in some fraudulent schemes or some negative things. You have to be really careful, guys, Libras. So whatever your situation, so whatever situations, it may be difficulties in your career, confusions or some people trying to deceive you or this love not working for you, whatever it is, guys, you will be able to find the right thing for you, guys. Some kind of light or hope for your future is there, because this card here, it is a very positive card here. So whatever inspiration you need for your life today, guys, Libras, you are getting that hope and faith in your future. So that inspiration is bringing you hope and faith in your future. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Libras. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. It's Mookaite Jasper. So with this card, the reading for you all, the energy for you all is that you are ready for a new experience, take a risk. So you are just ready for that unknown territory in your life today, guys. So you are healing from your old relationship. So we saw that you are in a breakup, maybe some confusions because of that. Maybe with this card, I see there may be a new person approaching you, guys, but you're still in confusion whether to wait for that old person to come back or go forward with this new love, take that adventurous path. So that is what I see with this card. So even in your career situation, maybe if you are ready to take that risk, have that trust in yourself and make those important decisions. Maybe some decisions you may not know the outcome, how it is going to turn out. But if you have that trust in yourself, things are just going to do well for you, guys, Libra. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.